Hey everyone! Today's makeup look is for downtown Doral. Got a really pretty golden smoky eye that's paired with a classic red lip, and I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to get this look with all my tips and tricks. So grab your makeup and let's get started. So start by prepping your eyes. I'm applying a thin layer of primer across my eyelid to help lock in the eyeshadow. Next, I'm dusting a little loose setting powder under my eyes, and this helps catch any eyeshadow fallout and makes cleanup really easy later. So now we're going on to the eyeshadow look. So using your fingertip or a foam applicator, pick up some of that gold shimmer shade and gently pat it across your eyelid. I like applying shimmer eyeshadow in this way because the pigment really pops. Next, we're using the medium brown eyeshadow. So use a dome-shaped eyeshadow brush and press that shade into your crease. Then switch to a fluffy brush and blend the color through the crease so that everything looks soft and even. Now we're going to add that darker brown shade. So using the dome brush again, press that color into the outer corner of the eye into a V shape. Extra tip here, but if you want a sharp line of your smoky eye, you can line up your finger from the outer corner of your eye to the outer edge of your eyebrow, and that will keep the lines clean as you press the eyeshadow into that outer corner. Switch to the fluffy eyeshadow brush and lightly blend the outer corner into the crease and center of the lid to soften the colors together. You can also line the bottom of your eyes with a little bit of that dark brown eyeshadow color. So it's time to add some depth with the dark brown shimmer. So pick up the eyeshadow with your fingertip again or a foam applicator and pat it right on top of that same outer corner area in that V shape. You want to blend the shimmer slightly toward the middle of the lid until it meets the gold, so you have a smooth transition between the two colors. You can also add a little bit of that gold shimmer eyeshadow color with a fluffy brush to soften the crease area. If you added powder under your eyes, you can now sweep it away along with any eyeshadow fallout. Once you're happy with the blending, add some mascara to your lashes. Add 2 coats if you want extra volume. So now we're moving on to lips. To start with, use a makeup wipe to clean your lips so that there's no oils, balm, or makeup on them. Then grab your matte liquid lipstick, and I like to line my lips first and then fill them in using a thin coat. Let it dry completely so it stays in place and won't smudge during performances. To keep this lip color transfer proof, it's really important to avoid all chapstick, lip balm, or lip gloss underneath the lip color or over top. You want to keep the lip color in the dry matte finish. And that's your completed look for Downtown Doral Cheer. Have a great season, everyone.